In the past, when I would find out where TDC is, I'll just put like an extension, a 3/8 extension in there and watch it go up. And then I watch where my cams are, cam relation, everything, but my tuner really wants me to get this and own this, so I'm gonna buy 2 different kinds and figure out which one I like best, and then I'll use it in the future. I don't know, we've never yet to have had a problem, so we probably don't need it, but it's just double safety. It has been a stressful like week, but remember I said, next time you guys see me, the car's gonna be running. 1, and then you go to number 2, and it goes to 3 on like the Pro Ep.5 thinks you're at 3. Okay, so guys, this laptop is for, if you look over here, Motec to program the PDM. You can't open both software for some reason at the same time, so with this laptop is the program for the Pro Ep.5, and then we have everything communicating with each other, everything's working, we finished the wiring. It's not like buttoned up and zip tied out of the way yet, just because we'll go to the dyno like this in case we need to get to something. If there's an issue, then you're able to get to it. We won't put the dash in until the dyno is done and everything's good. So, a lot of new things on the car, but everything works. So let's see if it'll start right now. So we got it, guys, it's all working. We were just on the phone with Ian, as you guys saw. Ian's the guy that tunes my car, so we're checking over sensors, making sure it's reading correctly. So we got to make sure everything, all the vitals are working how they should before we're gonna go to the dyno and beat the crap out of it on the dyno. And so that kind of checked out. He's sending us a new calibration, then we will probably try and go to the dyno next 2 days, because we still have a couple things to sort out, like besides the motor, before we go to the dyno. Little things, we're on track for what we thought. Like last week I said we'll have it started, we got it started. So we have big thanks to Ian and big thanks to Cody Phillips, because they both, Ben Calibration is Ian and Cody Phillips Racing, they both had their part in making all these systems come together. And the Supra is going to be so cool this year. We just got to get it going, and then we go test it and see how much better everything is. Also, we got new team sweatshirts. You can get them on radindustries.com. So this is the Supra for the 2019 Formula Drift season. We'll be competing in this in all 8 rounds. We did a lot of work too. You guys were here for, lots of the parts that we've upgraded and the systems that we redid. So we're really excited to see how everything, works out for us this year with like the ease of what we've done to it. It's going to make it easier on the team. We had a lot of new sponsors help out with us this year, so we're looking forward to a really solid season, taking what we've learned over the last 2 years in Pro 1 and putting that into what we're going to do this season. So we're looking for better results and a good, happy, solid year. So see you guys in Long Beach, get your tickets and come say hi.